True friends forgive each other because their friendship is more important than anything they were upset about.
Forgiveness is a good thing because when you forgive someone, you are also being a caring and loving person.
Forgiveness means excusing a mistake that has been made or an action has hurt someone.
Forgiveness is when you could say sorry.
When you do something wrong, it's good to apologize.
And always try your best to forgive.
Forgiving takes a lot of courage.
Could you please apologize to him?
Hey, why did you do that?
You can
I'm
come and
sorry.
stand in line with me.
It's okay. Don't do it again.
Forgiving is about kindness, and kindness is about forgiving.
Gonna get me.